Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra.
I am an Aba man, I'm proud. I am an Elibrada man, I am proud. I am Imueri man, I am proud. I know all my roots in Igbo land. I'm not begging you to become Igbo. I am Igbo. I am more Igbo than Nnamdi Kanu.
Enokwa, my people, come and hear Tori. Asari Dokubo that will claim today that he is an Igbo man, tomorrow he said that he's not an Igbo man. He's not telling Igbos who is original Igbo and who is not. To the extent he said that he is Igbo more than Nnamdi Kanu. My people, there is nothing Musa no go see forget to. Come and hear Tori waiting Asari Dokubo said in this new video, my people. This one will shock you. Like, must Asari Dokubo bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in any discussion that he is having, my people? Why is Asari Dokubo, have this hatred towards Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? My people, make I not talk too much. Let me allow you guys so that you can listen and hear everything Asari Dokubo said in this particular video.
What was the motive of making Sim governor of Rivers? It has come out from the mouth of the person who said he was the person who made Sim governor of Rivers. He has told us that they told him that Sim was not really John. Sim was not really John. Sim was not really John. So you look at Sim, you picked him, you had all the complaints, you said you wanted an Ijaw man. So who sort of Ijaw man will a man who sent thunder to Ijaw people recruit in his service to become governor of Ijaw people, governor of Rivers State, governor in the name of Ijaw people? He will look for the worst Ijaw man. An Ijaw man who will propagate his belief about Ijaw people. And all of them, they are there. Some of them wanted to be governor. He didn't give them. Because he felt that this man is an Okrika man, these Okrika people, Ebanichuka. This man is a Kalawari man, King Amakri, Dokubo Asari, So these people, are you sure if I give them they will not use it against me? So he saw, God works in a mysterious way. God, he works in a mysterious way. So he saw sin as the most suitable tool to become governor and spite the job people. Somebody thinks will chastise the job people with scorpion and snake. That's the way he saw sin. So he was not doing the job people a favor. And you remember, some people started saying when he chose saying that same mother is his cousin, she's Ikwere, I came out. I said, Shebi same father na from Obomo. They said yes. If same father is from Opopo, then he's an Ijaw man. There is no argument about it. After all, me that is sitting here as an Ijaw man, in my veins are three nationalities reign. Three nationalities DNA, blood is flowing in my vein. But I am Ijaw. I have Ijaw DNA flowing in my vein. I have Igbo DNA flowing in my vein. I have Benin DNA flowing in my vein. Three DNA that have been identified flowing inside my vein. From my family genealogy, from my family tree. So, have I denied being an Ijaw man? No, I'm Ijaw. I have passion for Ijaw. I have everything for Ijaw. So, I cannot be picked as governor of Rivers State even if they are constituent. Boma Kudet, my younger sister, will not be picked. So now, somebody with his motive is evil, sinister motive against the Ijaw people. And God works in a mysterious way. God was looking for a Messiah for Rivers people, not just the Ijaw people. And we were looking elsewhere for that Messiah. We were looking elsewhere for that Messiah. And it was with the hands of this fellow who has sent thunder to Ijaw people that God used to bring a Messiah for Rivers State and a Messiah for the Ijaw people. The one you consider, King Jaja of Opopo is an evil man. That was assimilated and as naturalized as a proud Ijaw man. And headed the Anna People War Kenu, fought a civil war in Bonny, and founded Opopo. But do you know what? God used this man to go to Opopo and pick a man from that Payamakri house. From God will come, from him we shall return. He went to Opopo. You see, once thing came, I started studying his history and genealogy once they chose him. Because I am historical correction officer, I look at history. He went to Opopo. And who did he get? He got somebody from Dapaye Amakri house. Original, Ijaw blood. Fora is a descendant of Dapaye Amak, of grandpa of Opopo. Maybe you've not heard. Well, how's the governor? Well, fine. And he didn't know. Like, can anything come out of Nazareth? Can anything good come out of Nazareth? After all, Opopo people, they are not speaking Ibani, they are not speaking Ijaw dialect. Most of them are speaking a mixture of Igbo and they are going to speak Igbo together. He's an Igbo man, he's denying, he's an Ikore man. I have a Ikore brother, I'm from Ele brother. I know that I am Igbo. Ele brother is Igbo. Forget about it. What Kalawari people call Ikore is Anya. Anya Nabini. Anya Igbos. We have 2 Igbos. Usama Igbos and Anya Igbos. What are they saying? Even an Eche man will say it's not Igbo. When the whole of Owerri, the Oriental people, they descended from Eche. Eche is one of the centers of dispersal of Igbo, like Iri. Eche is one of the centers of dispersal of Igbos. That is why you have to know your history. Amadioha, the highest of Igbo deity, bigger than the deity in Arochukwu, because Arochukwu people are not even pure Igbos. They are a mixture of Ibibians and Igbos. They came from the north with Ohavia people, with other Abam people. They came whether from Sudan, all these places, came and met Igbo people there in that Pendel area. That place, Arochukwu, where Arochukwu is, was an Ibibio land, an Ibibio town. So if in Igbo land, they are talking of dispersal of Igbo people, centers of dispersal of Igbo people, it is a shame and Iri that are the major dispersal point of Igbo people. And came with spiritual knowledge from where they said, whether it is Sudan or wherever they had that they migrated, passing through Ogoja area and so on, mixing with the Bokis, mixing with the Ejega, mixing with everybody, mixing with Efik, Arochukwu is a mixture of different nationalities all put together. Arochukwu is the melting point of Ijaw people, melting point of Efik people, Ibibio people, Anan people. So Aro is not, when we are talking of Igbo, a dispersal point of Igbo people. The 2 pillars of Igbo dispersal are Eche and Henry. And the current man is saying that he's not Igbo. And Eche man is saying that he's not Igbo. An Oba man is saying that he's not Igbo. An Empire man is saying that he's not Igbo. Okay, that's Igbo people's problem, because you like to abuse people, you like to talk. That's why people are running away from you. Everybody wants a big job. Why? Everybody does not want to go with a pole. Everybody said they are not Igbo. You have to check Igbos. You have to check your attitude. You have to check, really check your attitude. I am Igbo. I am an Abam man. I'm proud. I am an Elibrada man. I am proud. I am Imueri man. I am proud. I know all my roots in Igbo land. I'm not begging you to become Igbo. I am Igbo. I am more Igbo than Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is an Aro man. So an Aro man will look down on an Abam man. How? If the Abams are not there, will the Aro Empire increase? We have mutual respect for each other. I'm not just an Abam man. The fight to conquer the Aros and the Abams by the British ended in my home village, Obom. 1903. Ended in my home village, Obom. I know my roots. I know where my father's come from. My father is an Abam. So let's leave that matter. So this man went. God was looking for a Messiah. God has provided a Messiah for us. We are looking for a Messiah. And said, it's by the hands of Nebuchadnezzar Nebuchadnezzar, Igbo koko kemenye barima, bara koko kemenye ba Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar, Igbo koko kemenye ba. Igbo king, Igbo koko kemenye ba. Wicked king, Igbo koko kemenye ba. Inge Igbo koko kemenye ba Nebuchadnezzar, Igbo koko kemenye barima, bara koko kemenye barima Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar, Igbo koko kemenye ba. God used the hands of Nebuchadnezzar and brought in Messiah. For Rivers people and for Ijaw people. And you know what? Nobody can tolerate Nebuchadnezzar. When you go and you sit with him, you are drinking that is drink of how many thousands of dollars. He's abusing him. Some of them that are there, he told them that a Calabari man will never be governor. Some of them, they are standing with him, fine boy, no people. Better etibo, better baller hat with walking stick, fine boy, no people. They went to him that they wanted an Ijaw man, their former godfather, to become governor of Rivers State. There is this man who was Attorney General when my father was Director of Public Prosecution. Nice man, respected by Rivers people. He has totally been destroyed. He has destroyed himself, taking himself to the... Oh my God. Oh my God. Tiepaka. Tiepaka. Apain bere ikbularan and painsara. Apain bere. Respected man. Fine gentleman. I used to look at him. He was a young man. My father was much older than him. He related with people. He was not a boss. As a young man, appointed as Attorney General and working with older lawyers. My uncle was permanent Solicitor General and permanent Secretary, I see in Kotara. And my father was Director of Public Prosecution. He worked with them. He took them as his uncles and senior brothers. Very polite. Always, visiting. And I have so much love and respect for him. But I don't know what is happening. They say it's law of diminishing returns. Maybe when you are growing older, things start to develop inside you that you have no control over. What is he looking for? He went with this fellow, with the person who wanted to be governor, with the person who is claiming today working. He went. And the man, he was tipsy. Or I say, intoxicated in that his drink. And he roared. I will never be governor. And we don't survive in their hands. We don't survive in their hands. You come because I give you the privilege of coming here. Chai! My hero. Chai! My role model. My role model was there. Or reduce you to poppy. Or reduce you to poppy. Chai! Never you judge about body, Ambo Nanga Botekete. Ambo Uso Nanga Bore. My relation, even if you see me You disrespect me, I'll look at you. It's not about me. Once you depart from the standard that I have set for myself, I say, bye. I'm going. You can't guard me. It's difficult to guard me. I'm not enemy of anybody. It is the truth I speak that is enemy of people. It is the action I take in furtherance of the truth that it makes me an enemy to people. Because I won't come to you. I won't visit your house. I won't even call you on the phone, except I think we have shared interests, we have the same belief. Even if we are quarreling, we're good. In your hours of need and your hours of danger, you will see me standing far stronger than any other person you expect. Even Nebuchadnezzar, if today is in trouble, and I feel that trouble is targeted at us, all of us, and if it falls, we are all going to be affected. You will see me in front without going to him. A lot of people ask me, you supported Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Because of good luck, I parted ways with Ahmed Bola Tinubu. For years, I never communicated with him. But when he came out from presidency, I remembered what he did for me. I did not solicit for what Ahmed Bola Tinubu did for me. I stood firm. I am saying it without any equivocation, without missing word. I spent over $10 million US. Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Cash. I'm not counting naira. I don't have record of the naira I spent. At that time, naira was fluctuating 500, 600, 700. To calculate the money. Dollars that I have accumulated to re-establish my university in my village. I gave it out. And when even I was told by a lawyer in Mecca, I said, go and meet Baba. Tell him, because people will claim responsibility for what we are doing. I told her, she's alive. I said, my sister, when your father helped me, he did not consult me. He went out all out. Obasanjo was president. A Yoruba man like him. This man gave my former wife, my first wife, a house, put my children in the most expensive school in Lagos, was sending money to me in prison. I came out from prison. He gave me money to go travel abroad for my medical. He bought my first car for me to Iraq, which was stolen. Immediately I came out of prison. And I am not duty bound to pay him. I will continue to hold him because I was dead. The experience I had, you don't have it. I was buried alive underground. A passenger wanted me dead. This man stood by me. He did not ask for anything from me. He has never asked for anything from me. So people say, what have you given? What has he given me? I didn't give him anything he gave. I gave. If Bola Tinubu did not help me, if Bola Tinubu did not come to assist me, and others, but Bola Tinubu was top-notch. Donald Duke was there. Goodluck Jonathan was there. These were the three major governors at that time that assisted me and assisted my family. But Bola Tinubu was hired. He has no relationship with me other than that we met in the trenches. Goodluck Jonathan was an Ijoma like me. Donald Duke was married to an Ijaw woman from my place. Attended the same primary school. We lived in the same neighborhood. It's from the same region with me. But Ahmed Bola Tinubu wasn't. So I will continue to be grateful. He didn't ask for anything. So if he is here, he did not, I will continue to be grateful. And I'll continue to say my mind. I'll continue to pray for him to succeed. Because if he fails, I fail. I told everybody, hold me responsible because I know him. But this is not about Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Because people are coming to say, well, you say we should hold you responsible. Yes, I said it. I'm not denying it. And I will stand by him through the thick and thin. He did that for me. Maybe Obasanjo would have succeeded in killing me. Ahmed Bola Tinubu provided money for my lawyers, provided money for people, provided money for media, did a lot for me. I can never forget or erase it. So let us come to Nebuchadnezzar. Let us come to Nebuchadnezzar. So Nebuchadnezzar, with an ulterior motive, not knowing who Fubara is, not knowing the pedigree of Fubara, now chose Fubara, thinking that it will be a third term for him, thinking that it will be a third term of, I can't even call it decolonization, because how many Kore people benefited? See, I'm not flattering anybody. The Emeka Woke, this, that. Calm them. How many? How many of them are even as rich as me that did not benefit from this? How many of them have the assets that I have? River State that had billions and tons and tons and tons and tons of billions. It just gives them survival package, survival kit. What it gave them was survival kit, survival package. That's why once they are out of government for we have never been in government. Once they are out of government for 1 second, they are hungry.
The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our central command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on Dioshika Habu. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never warned you.